Natural makeup look. I've already primed my face. Now I'm going in with my liquid illuminator. I'm obsessed with liquid illuminator. I love that sunkies glow. Like, when you have your foundation and then you have the liquid illuminator underneath your foundation, your skin just glow. It's so, so beautiful. I'm using this Fits Me foundation. I actually really like this foundation. It's very lightweight. You can actually build up the coverage if you want to. I just love it. I'm gonna contour with this L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick. It's actually a foundation stick, but I love to use it as a contour. I just love it. It blends into the skin very soft, very natural, and I just love it. Liquid blush. Your girl is obsessed. I'm obsessed with liquid blush actually, especially when I put it on my nose. I just love the way it looks on my nose a little bit, and I just love it. I'm just in love with it. It is really beautiful. I just love the way it looks. I'm going to use the Bond This Way concealer. I'm also going to use a much more brighter concealer later on, but I just want to use this one to conceal underneath my eyes before going in with the lighter concealer. I also like to go in between the makeup with some setting spray because I really want this makeup look to turn out very flawless and beautiful because I want to have it the whole day, so I want it to look really, really nice. That's the reason why I go in between with some setting spray. I'm going to use two powder. I'm going to use the Fit Me press powder. I'm going to use that first to set underneath my eyes. And then later, I'm also going on top of it with the Huda Beauty loose setting powder as well. Because I just love when I add the Fit Me powder. It just lock everything in, and then going in with the Huda Beauty setting powder, which is a bit brighter. I just love it. This is something that I've tried once and I fell in love with it. So whenever I do my makeup, I first like to set underneath my eyes with the Fit Me setting powder. I'm going to use this NYX eyeshadow palette. This is really simple, natural makeup look. I'm just going to use the dark shade, the dark brown, to just create one eyeshadow look. It's just one shade. I'm just going to blend it into the eyes very seamlessly and just simple eyeshadow, nothing out of the ordinary. I'm using the Makeup Revolution setting powder. I'm also using it to contour my nose because I just love how natural it looks. I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright. You guys know I'm obsessed with this palette. This palette, I'm obsessed. It's my best friend whenever I'm going for the weekend, whenever I'm traveling. It's my best friend. It have everything. You have the blush, you have the contour, you have the highlight. You can also use this as an eyeshadow. It's such a beautiful palette. I'm obsessed with it, you guys. I'm obsessed. It's my go-to palette. Because I'm not gonna put on a fake lashes, I decided to let's do a eyeliner to just line my eyes a little bit, and then here I'm going in with the highlighter on that same palette. This is the reason why I say I love this palette. If you take this palette with you, you can do a natural look with it. You can do a soft cloud makeup look with it. It all depends on what you're going for. It's all in one palette actually. I just love how beautiful it is. I'm going to use my lip liner. I think this is a MAC lip liner. I'm going to line my lip, and then I'm going in with the Kiko lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It's just so beautiful. Set my face once again. And this is the look. It's so simple. It's so natural. I just love how it turned out. Turned out so beautiful. The girl is gonna get ready. Let's get dressed. I'm show you guys my outfits. So this is the outfits. Let me know what you guys think. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer het echt. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.